Broda Shaggi.
Biggie, hello.
Tell Big Brother how you feel today.
Biggie, I feel okay, I feel good, but the stuff say the AC for this house is too much. Oh no, if they fear boss do some, the temperature is a high. Only is a high, I beg. We don't dey sleep for night, I go just waka up and down. And fire no dey. Say I go come go beside Gasuka go dey because say I wan collect fire for body. I beg make dem just help us reduce the AC small. I beg.
Broda Shaggi,
Biggie.
there are rumors that you have fallen in love. Please tell Big Brother about that.
We have fall in love. With who?
Tell Big Brother what you think.
I don't think anything with who now. Everybody wey dey this and they don't get boyfriend, everybody don't get girlfriend. The first week wey they enter, everybody don't get girlfriend. So who I fall in love with? Who I want fall in love with? If you don't that way, we follow to ourselves. Oh God, she be kidding. Also, now you don't get that. You now self get. Oh yeah. So I not fall in love with anybody.
Broda Shaggi,
Biggie.
is there anything going on in the house you would like to tell Big Brother?
Biggie. There's a much that going on. You get plenty things where they go away. I don't even know. For midnight like this, I would just see you feel they move. I don't know what they happen. I would think when she last today this house in do feel they move. Biggie, I don't know. See they have for this house. Oh, for midnight, we just see they move. Go there. Biggie, oh no, people bad for this house and I don't know say now really just say that means I get my own for body. Things they happen no Biggie, oh no.
Broda Shaggi,
Biggie.
what is
Biggie, that it sound, but I don't know where the sound is coming from. I was like, say that person born Biggie for this house when they cry for midnight or waiting. Biggie, I better leave that matter. On to the next one.
Broda Shaggi?
Hello, Biggie.
There are reports that you ate another man's food. Tell Big Brother about this.
See, Biggie, I don't say if I come down this house, I will explain this thing to you. Me, I don't like the way people they do for this house. You understand? They will cook food. Okay. So now, till I tell you, I want hungry. Now you go cook my own food. You understand? They don't go cook my food. Now, the bread where they give us yesterday, I put my own for free with sardine. By this morning, I don't see how many. I said, no wahala. So I just stopped the remaining eba with the inside pot. I don't know say I'm right to cook the eba. You understand? So I just stopped the eba. So the fight must start between me and Brighto. But we don't already settle am. But Brighto said no mind. So we don't settle everything.
Broda Shaggi,
Biggie.
violence is never the way.
No, I no violence. I no violence at all. We just play, we just talk. I just tell you your head no correct. I just tell you the match. Don't be violent and we don't fight.
I said violence, not violent.
Yeah, violence.
Broda Shaggi,
Biggie.
who is the biggest threat to you in the house?
All the girls wey dey dance is a 30. Oh yeah, I dey 30 them. But the one that 30 me back is Dorothy. Oh yeah, that she's a big guestet. Biggie. I know say you say for where you dey. Now where your camera go dey be like. Got me. She's a big guestet. Biggie, let's leave that or let's go to another. Dorothy, she's a big guestet. Best.
Broda Shaggi, you have come to the end of your diary session.
Thank you very much. Biggie, how far back? You get some things where you say they never help us load inside this house. Or they think everything does share me or big. But that's how that's it be now. Anything, maybe they add it for boys. So yeah. Oh no. Thank you very much.
Anything like what?
Biggie, I'm waiting on now. Oh yeah, go. Oh no. no, Biggie, oh no, Biggie, oh no, Biggie, why now, oh no, you don't say me,
Rico sa for original mumu.